So that leads us to number 3, which is building confidence in the market. Okay. Now this is going to be up for debate, and I don't have my crystal ball in front of me that is accurate, I could say. So we all have to kind of guess. But statistics show, does anybody know what the number today was? I didn't actually see the actives in the MLS. Last week when we looked, it was right around 4650, 4700 last week. We've been selling 10,000 homes a month. Our stat, we're kind of incrementally coming up a little bit, but oftentimes, this is also summer. Nobody wants to move during the summertime. We always slow down a little bit. So if we kind of just law through it to get to the end based on the sales and our inventory, the likelihood of Maricopa County not selling any homes for any period is impossible. I doubt the governor can say nobody can buy a home moving forward until we get to 30,000 homes. So that being said, if you just run the numbers, approximately 18 months. That's what a lot of the numbers are dictating. That's what my numbers dictate if you have a lot of discussion. So that takes us basically through the end of next year, right? And if that's the case, should people have confidence in the market that even worst case scenario, let's say that does happen, nobody can buy a home, okay? How long will it take us to get to 30,000 active homes? No less than 3 months, right? If we add approximately 9 to 10,000 homes to our market per month, that's that. So 30,000 takes us to 3 months. So worst case scenario, you always have at this point at least 3 months. 3 months to 18 months. That's what everybody is saying. Okay, and you can look at the stat newsletter. You can talk to pretty much pull up any news thing. They're talking about record setting this, record setting that, record setting this. Okay, so if we know no matter what, it's going to be great through next year, should they benefit by purchasing their home today? Okay, should they benefit by not paying, what is it, 10% more next month? Right? So if they're good for 18 months, we convince them of that. And then we say, oh, great. Well, it's going up by this amount, this amount, this amount, this amount, this amount. So you better buy your home now and reap the benefit of all that appreciation. For people moving up in the world, what's the benefit of moving up right now? Well, let's say it goes up by 10%. Okay, you're in a $200,000 home now. You want to buy a $350,000 home. 10% of 350 is a lot more than 10% of 200,000. So you're going to make more if you're going to move up. If you own your own home and you actually want to move down, sell it today, buy it today, cash, because you're going to save that much money for 18 months, right? If you have a fixed amount, buy it today, right? There's a lot of reasons why people should buy it today, okay, and benefit. Why is this meeting ending again? Okay, guys, I don't know what's going on. Something's going on with my side of the Zoom. Did you guys see that too?
Yeah, it says 9:49.
I don't know what's going on because we have a paid for membership for Zoom. This has never happened before. I'm so sorry, guys. If we get
extend it, Josh, while you're there.
I'm trying to. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if he managed to, like, if we accidentally booked this without the full member. I don't know. This is just weird. Okay. Well, if we do get disconnected, I really appreciate everybody logging on one more time. This is silly. I can't explain this. This will never happen again. I apologize. Okay. So having confidence in today's market, where it's going to go, and what it really boils down to is having that urgency today. Okay. There's no magic bullet for any one client, but it's knowing the whole market and how it's going to benefit them to do it today. Okay. So does that kind of blanket answer confidence in the market? We have to instill confidence in the market for our clients to be able to make that leap. You know, if they're worried that they're not going to find the perfect home, well, why should they list? Because number one, we need the inventory. If everybody starts thinking about that inventory, our natural inventory will rise because they're no longer scared. If everybody kind of takes on that same mentality, it's a beneficial thing for everybody. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Kind of went around a little bit.
And you know, the stuff Josh is talking about too, I actually have a software tool. I have several of them, but one, they have a lot of calculators on the site that deal with the stuff we're talking about, right? People reluctant to buy in this market, maybe reluctant to go over asking price. And there's some crazy numbers over asking price. But I want to just show a couple of quick slides, Josh, if you can give that back to me. You see bid over asking price right now?
Yes, sir.
You do, right? Okay. So this is, I'm just going to go through some real quick slides, just so you can see what some of the things that us loan officers have. If the other loan officers obviously can have the same program. It's not particular to my company, but this is a bid over asking price. So we can actually use this tool. Let me move this over here so I'm not looking off to the left all the time. We can actually use this tool to show somebody, you may put in an offer over asking price, but based on current appreciation levels and the cost of that home, here's how much appreciation you're going to gain over a period of time. In this case, you're going to break even in 11 months, and in 5 years, this scenario I did, you can see the numbers up there, you're going to gain $132,000 almost. Okay, that's one tool. Here's another one. Appreciation after 5 years, right? Another example of, she's taking pictures, another example of what some of the things that we can show people that kind of puts the numbers in front of them, right? It takes away that fear away. And then the third thing is a cost of waiting, which is, again, kind of what Josh is talking about. It's another tool where you can show waiting 6 months, waiting a year, waiting 2 years, or waiting 3 years based on, of course, assumptions of appreciation, which we can vary based on what we think interest rates are going to do. You know, we've been saying for a long time, interest rates are going to go up. They really are going to go up eventually. We just don't. A little more fear now because of inflation and stuff, but we'll see. But anyways, these are some of the things that I wanted to show you. I think that's well, and this is the second part of that cost of waiting thing. And it shows the appreciation lost and stuff. Great tools and great visuals for a client to see. And that was kind of the things I wanted to share.
That's awesome.
Talk about the client's fear in this market of the pricing and stuff. Okay.
Yep. And also too, to tell Lori's.
I'm going to give this back to you, Josh.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Oh, that was awesome. And to tell Lori's husband, Tony, Security has the best app. If you don't have the Security Agent app, in my opinion, it's the best. It has so many marketing tools and ridiculousness involved. It's amazing. And it can, like, while you're out quickly, ding, 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 you can pull stuff up and handle it. They do have like a premium membership. I think it's like $12 or something like that. I think it's worth it. If you like it, wonderful. Let me know. If not, I'm sorry. So the big thing with this is to culminate with confidence in the market. Let's say that 18 months is true, okay? You want to build a cushion. You want to have an appreciation workup before the market falls. It's going to fall eventually, okay? And if you buy close to the end, you have nowhere to go but down. Right now, if you purchase it today, theoretically speaking, today, and we have 18 months and it goes up 5% this month, 10% next month, 6% the following month, that, you have 18 months of, yay, if it falls, we're gonna be okay, because it's going to. And that's where we need to get people in that realm of safety, right? Do it today, get that safety. It's bound to happen. You know what I mean?
Oh, it's not unlimited minutes. See that?
We're good. All right. Good job, Parker. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Parker.
Gotcha.
Perfect time.
All right. So next, number 4. So let's finally, you guys found the home. You have a pre-approved client rather, and they finally found their home.